Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. Today's video, I wanted to put together a gift, actually 2 gift bags for my son's 2 after-school teachers. They have been so patient with him this year and just have been, you know, so excited to have him. This is his last year in elementary school, and today he just graduated elementary school. So today is the last day for after school for him. Tomorrow they have half a day, so by the time this video comes out, it'll be a little late, but I'm just giving tips and ideas on things that you can put into gift bags. So I got these 2 gift bags. They're about the same size. One's just a little bit taller than the other. I bought some things to go inside of these gift bags for the teachers at after school. So first off, I bought this decorative shred. They're both purple. I also bought both of them most of the stuff I bought them are the same thing. If they see something in there and it's not the same, they can always switch it out. So I did get the Luminescent Melon Pop and Orange Creamsicle, 6 melted, or actually 6 scented wax melts. So those are each is gonna go in the bag. I also got 2 of the same candle. This is Coastal Palm, and it is a fragrance candle. It definitely smells like summer, so I tried to keep it with like the summer theme. I also did get them 2 of the moisturizing mango paper facial mask. So trying to get them ready just to relax and have a great summer. Also in this bag, I decided to get them the Blistex medicated berry balm. So this is gonna smell like berries, and just to have some chapstick. I also went ahead and got both of them the same thing right here. So this is a 2 hand cream. One is watermelon scented, the other one is lemon soda scented. And this is just, like I said, hand cream where they can apply it to their hands. They can keep it in their purse, put it in a bag, have it at home, who knows. All right, so I also got them some lunch containers. These lunch containers are really adorable. On the inside here, it is a little tray where you could put ranch or any type of seasoning dip that you want. So as you can see here, they would be able to bring things such as like nuts up here. They could also bring celery, carrots, apples, you name it. So it's just a cute little thing to have during the summer. They could take these on their vacations. They could also use it for the next school year. And then last but not least, I went ahead and got both of them some pot holders, a kitchen towel, and a oven mitt. So one of them will get the set for this, which just clearly says life is meant to be lived. And then it's just floral, kind of like a springish. And then the other one is going to get, this kitchen is seasoned with love, where they get the kitchen towel, the pot holders, and then the oven mitten. And like I said, it goes together. So one of them will get this one and the other one will get this one. So let's go ahead and put these bags together. Thank you card that I picked up from the dollar store as well. So all of these items, yes, did come from the dollar store. So it doesn't always have to be the cost that matters. It's just a gift from the heart. So let's go ahead and get the other one up and running, and then I will talk about the rest. Both of them have been made. They are both going to get a thank you card, put them into their bags, and voila.